Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over instructions as to how to access the CDT at home. If you are taking the CDT, you cannot use the DRC app that is on your laptop desktop screen. You will need to use the link that is in this document that I have sent to you. So after you open up the document, it should look like this. You'll need to scroll down to where it says accessing the CDT. You're going to click on this blue link and it'll take you to a web page where you will then use your password and username that I have provided for you specifically to access your personal CDT. Now there are two parts to the CDT, so you will have two different passwords but the same username. So with that being said, please remember to take your time. Do not rush through the CDT. It does generate questions according to your progress. So if it sees that you have sporadic answers that aren't really lining up, it will generate more questions. So please make sure that you take your time and read the information thoroughly. If you have any issues logging in with your password or username or opening this document, please make sure that you email me as soon as possible so that way I can help you. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will talk to you later. Bye.